Time changed, I've been in a different mind frame. I want you to know that you was my babe.
What is up everybody, it's your boy Boston Breezy, back at it again with another tutorial, you know what I'm saying. So in today's video is going to be something different. I'm going to be teaching you guys 3 ways to style my perm Asian hair. All this hair are fake curls, bruh. You know what I'm saying, they ain't real. So yeah, I'm just gonna get into it. Let's go. Alright, so this is the product I use to style my hair on a daily basis. It's Cantu coconut curling cream for natural hair. Defines, moisturize and strengthen the strands of your hair. You know what I'm saying? Just reading from the description what it says here, but they're very good. And this is how much I put. Just like that. Not too much, but yeah. So this is basically how I rock my hair every single day, most of the day, and they look much better when they're a little bit dry. They look much fuller. Okay, I'm gonna go to the second hairstyle, and yeah, you're gonna need one of these. And just put it up. Just like that. Jeez. So it gets the hair out of your face, and yeah, they're very stylish. Look, looks so clean, man. Alright guys, so this is the last one, and you're gonna need a hairband like this.
Whatever hairband you have.
Yeah, whatever hairband you have. And yeah, you just tie your hair in a bun. Like this. Look at that, guys. How cool is that? Yeah, if you want to get this haircut, all you have to do is get a high fade, 0 or 1, you know, side and back. And yeah, look like a samurai. Yeah, I see a lot of people style their hair like this,
you know,
with their sides.
Oh my god, you look like those penguins.
Bruh. Like that. You look alright?
No, it doesn't.
I see a lot of people style their hair like this.
That's horrible.
So that's the end of the hair tutorial, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment down below and make sure you subscribe for more videos in the future. Let's go.
Probably gonna run up a chick, probably gonna cup a tick, probably the reason I'm next, you already know I'm the best, probably gonna run up a chick, probably gonna cup a tick, probably the reason I'm next, you already know I'm the best, yeah, you already know I'm a boss, ayy, never gonna take no loss, ayy, run it up, I got the sauce, ayy, you already got the sauce, ayy.